Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samide. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today's video is about IPSY again. This is the March bag that I received. So we're gonna open it together and see what's inside. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to know every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. If you have any video ideas, let me know down below in the comment section. Let's get started. So this is the box. And let's see. So this is the card. It says Celebrate You, March 2020. Inside they have everything that they sent me. Yeah. First thing, it's a brush. Again, I love when I receive brush, guys. You never have enough brushes. This is the brush. It's a precision concealer brush from Complex Culture. So that's the first one. Put it back. Second item is a liquid eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner from Luna Liner. No, not from Luna. Yeah, it's from Luna. No, Seraphine Botanicals. I think that's the brand name. So this is the eyeliner. Let's see. Open. It's a pencil. Next product is from GLAMGLOW. It's an exfoliating cleanser from GLAMGLOW. Let's smell it. It smells really nice. It smells good. So that's that. Next product is it's a lip oil. Super 8 lip oil. It's Fake Shine. It's from the brand Yensa. Oh. It smells like bubble gum. It smells like bubble gum. It smells good. That's that. Next product is from the BALM Cosmetics. It's a palette. It's a mini palette from the BALM Cosmetics. Ooh, I love the colors, guys. Let's swatch some colors. so I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the colors. So yeah, that's and the last product is this scrub. It's a body scrub from the brand The Coffee Scrub. It's organic coffee scrub. It's for your body. I'd like to smell it. It smells coffee and coconut. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna use this one today. And the bag, my IPSY bag. Yeah, here it says IPSY. Oh, unstoppable. And IPSY inside. Yeah, guys, that's all. And the box is empty now. So yeah, guys, this is all the items that I received for this month. I'm excited to use this and this and this, everything. I'm always happy to receive new products, guys. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to know every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.